Happy Memorial Day. We're back out here at the golf course ponds, and we're going to see if we can catch a couple. Y'all stick with us. Y'all can see that. You got one, but he's hung on somebody else's line.
Well, that's the first.
I don't know how we gonna do this because you can't go out on the dock, so might have to. Camera lady, can you come hold the rod for a minute? Alright. Somebody's using braid. Cut him off. Toss him out. We'll get him unhooked in a second. He ain't big, but I'm gonna let go of that a second. Show y'all how much that spinnerbait is wrapped up in somebody else's line. Had to go out on the condemned dock, cut him loose. Thank you, little buddy. Alright guys, with that fish, obviously we're out here fishing on Memorial Day. We had an awesome dinner with family. Y'all comment down below what y'all do for Memorial Day. And thank y'all to everybody that served as well.
He let us get real close. Squirrel whisperer.
Alright y'all, had a little tiny spinnerbait on, caught that one fish on it. Been out here for like 20-30 minutes, hadn't caught anything, so.
Well, we caught one.
Well, that's right, caught one, but I figured we've been catching more than that, so we're gonna switch it up. Probably some top water, and I think I'm gonna reveal my super secret technique. All right, time to reveal my super secret ultralight technique for bass. Boom. Don't look like much. Well, that's just a little tiny fluke, not a super fluke, just a fluke with a little octopus hooked, rigged, wacky style. Y'all come and watch the action. And then you sit there, let it sink a little bit, give it some twitches, wacky rigged. Man, it's great for sight fishing. If y'all see, fish going out in front of you, just pitch it out, give it some twitches, and their predatory instincts 99% of the time are, I've got to eat it. So we'll see what we can do with it today. Oh, there he is. Oh, come on, buddy. Boom. Just like I was saying, y'all, we were walking down the bank and I saw this fish swim away from where we were walking. Just tossed it right out, gave it some twitches, and he came back and ate it. Oh, got another one. Y'all think I'm playing when I said it was the super secret technique. That's like 3 casts later, and boom, got another one.
I can't believe you gave out the secret.
I mean, you just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Y'all would have figured it out eventually. They ain't big, but I bet if we went to a spot that had a little bit bigger fish, it also catches big ones too. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Now that's another one of those little warmouths from last video. See, it ain't just for bass. they'll eat it too. Oh, another multi-species. Oh. Like I said, y'all, it don't, ow. It don't just catch bass. Bass, warmouth, crappie probably, brim, catches them all. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Let it sink. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Let it sink. All right, let's see. Just saw a ripple right out there. Let's see if we can get him to bite. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Oh, he had it. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Sink, twitch, 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 twitch. Oh, little stick.
Goodbye, fish.
There's the lure. There he goes. Sent him flying.
Goodness, you did it again.
This one ate it this time.
And your shirt is fitting.
Yep. Got the big mouth Billy Bass shirt on for Memorial Day. Like I said, it don't always catch big ones, but it catches them. Ultralight line, little hooks, can't be dragging it. It's the only hook I brought with me. Gotta do what you can so you don't lose it. Oh no, my big fat butt can't get up. Y'all, pick up your dang trash. I wasn't paying attention, and Bridget just happened to look down and was like, is that a real fish? But no, that's a lure. Pick up your trash.
Quit littering. And whenever I walked by, I was like, oh my gosh, is that a fish laying there? He was like, it's just the lure.
It's just a lure, but
I've seen it from a distance.
I make a bad cast, y'all. That's one thing about this thing. It's so lightweight that you gotta, sometimes hard to make super accurate cast with it. Like I said, y'all, multi-species. Yeah. Brim again. Missed him like 2-3 times, thinking he was a bass that didn't have it, but nope. It was a brim. Bye, buddy. Grab it. Yep. Y'all didn't even have to twitch it. Oh God. Big old brim. Didn't even have to twitch it, y'all. He just come up and smoked it. Put them fins down so they don't get poked. Look at that one, y'all. Gorgeous. Even beat up on his other side. Something tried to eat him. Next cast, y'all, there must be a brim bed or something over there. So I'm not even having to work it. It's just floating down. These big old pretty brim smashing it. All right, y'all gonna see one cast to catch. Right out there. Let's see if we can give it a little twitch, twitch. Call, twitch, twitch, twitch. 3 casts in a row, y'all. I mean, they just own it. Big, beautiful brim. Look at the colors and spots on the near the mouth on that one.
That one is pretty.
Different, pretty for sure. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to do cast to catch since we've had like 3 in a row. Let's see if we can make it 4. Only right in there. Come on. Only it's been right in there. They hadn't even. Keep on filming. May not have gotten it out far enough yet. All right, yeah, we'll get it right in. Yep. I mean,
They are loving it.
they just can't help it. If y'all, I hope the camera girl got that eat, because this fish came out of the water for it. Smashed. Oh, sorry, big girl. That's a bass this time. Phew. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Come here. Absolutely. Smoking them, y'all. That's like number 7, 8, probably. Super secret technique. I'm telling y'all. Yep. Oh, pull and drag. That's a nice one. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. Slabs, y'all. Absolute slabs.
I like the color on that one. That one's probably the most orange.
Mm-hmm. Oh, no.
Oh, don't let them fall.
Oh, don't pee on me. Come on. Pretty dark fish. Got some purples on it. Gorgeous. So much fun. You can literally, oh, it come off. But you can literally toss it out there. My favorite color, as y'all have seen in probably some other videos, for just lures in general, is white. Just because you can sight fish it so easy. So even if you don't see the fish itself, like I'm just blind casting out there, giving some twitches, and if you let it sink, I can still see it out there, down in the water. And whenever it disappears, I know a fish has got it. Switched it up to some top water. First cast. Smoked. Great day of fishing, y'all. Absolutely great day. Easy there, buddy. Y'all, I should really start bringing a pair of pliers or something with me, because this guy is pinned. Come on. Golly, come on, buddy. Oh, got that hook. One more to go. There we go. Try not to hurt him. Pretty
That's
fish.
a good one.
Ooh, do a flip.
Hopefully I can catch one. Yep. Got one.
Choo-hoo.
Come this way.
Lift him up. Look at it.
That's a nice one too.
Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Yay.
That's your PB brim, isn't it?
I think so.
That's the biggest one she has ever caught.
Yep.
Awesome job, honey.
Thank you.
Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. Y'all, he's been, that fell right out. He's been caught before. And caught again. And then now a third time. Gotta love these country club bass, y'all. All right, y'all. That is going to do it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the super secret lure day. I told y'all that it smashes, and we definitely smashed them. Remember to like and subscribe and comment what y'all's favorite part. Hope y'all have a great Memorial Day. Peace.